Here on the show floor at CES 2018, TCL Mobile has its latest BlackBerry devices on display. But what you won't see here is the just announced BlackBerry Q1 Bronze edition. Unless you're watching this video, because we got a special peek at the device. As you know, we liked TCL's return to the keyboard with the Q1 last year. And the upgraded Black edition made our top 5 business smartphones of the year list. The Bronze edition is pretty much the same as that one when you look at it on the spec sheet. But the important question here is why bronze and not gold?
From a color perspective, we wanted to keep with this idea of being distinctly different, right? That was the notion that we had when we first launched BlackBerry Q1. Obviously stood out in the rest of the smartphone market this year with the physical keyboard and just a really unique design. And so when we were thinking of another color variation, we wanted to do something that stood out, that had some personality to it, and that felt distinctly different and fit the notion of BlackBerry Q1.
What is different here is a dual SIM card feature. This device is only being released in the Asian and Middle East markets, where that's more in demand. So sorry if you're a BlackBerry fan in North America. But we did learn something new from glimpsing this device. TCL is bringing more embedded software features to BlackBerry devices.
We're starting to implement some of the new software features like Locker that you saw in motion, which is going to be coming to all of our BlackBerry mobile portfolio.
Stay tuned for more videos from CES 2018. For IT World Canada, I'm Brian Jackson.